So I'm Dr. Bunn. I'm a dentist here in Huntersville, North Carolina, and I work at NorthStar Dentistry for adults. We are an adults-only practice. Kind of our philosophy is catering towards those adults who need a dental home. A lot of times we're focused on adults with more comprehensive needs, whether those are cosmetic or implant focused. I wanted to be in a field where I could have those long-term relationships, kind of year-by-year relationships, not a 1-2 appointment kind of relationship, but just something that lasts even sometimes over a patient's entire lifespan. So that kind of always appealed to me, the ability to work with my hands, to do things, tangible, things I could see. So that's always been extremely rewarding for me when it comes to dentistry. Someone's walking out with something that can a lot of times be truly life-changing. I think in terms of, tailoring the experience to an individual, it's incredibly important to spend the time on the front end to get to know that patient. What are the values? What are the hurdles? What do we need to overcome with treatment? Because we may be doing the same procedure for 2 different patients, but that may look very, very different. Appointment times may be different. Just the experience of how we set up the room, all the way down to putting a note in a patient's chart of, they want a hand on their shoulder when this is happening. Those are the things that we really want to tailor to the individual. It's not a cookie cutter, one size fits all for everyone who comes through the door. Everyone has different struggles. Everyone has different hurdles, whether those are time, financial, fear, anxiety. We need to know those things right off the bat. We can work with all of those things. We've seen all of those things. There's nothing that we really haven't seen before at this point. So whatever you feel like is holding you back, those are things that we can work around. Those are things that we can overcome. I would say if you're looking for a new dental home, you're looking for a new dental experience, we'd love to hear from you. We'd love to set up a free consultation, whatever that may look like. Have that conversation. Make sure it's a fit. It is a fit both ways. So we want that to feel like somewhere that's comfortable. We're really taking care of you, and really our values, your values align with one another, because ultimately it's about you. You need to be taken care of, and you need to do that in an environment that you're comfortable in. So, we'd love to see you here. We'd love that to be us. But the first step is just reaching out and making the connection, make the call, and we'll take care of the rest.